What's up, everybody? My name is Chris. Welcome back to Underworld Games. Welcome back to Fat Pack Friday. I know opening this particular Fat Pack will probably make one person pretty happy. Christina, I'm talking to you. I know you, I overheard the other night in one of Matt's streams that he was saying something about how you want him to get some Origin boxes. So I figure I'll open this Origin box. Now what's interesting about these Fat Packs is they all had the different Planeswalkers on them. So, you know, you could get a collection of them and end up with... a whole set of them. I still love these books. Kind of sad they stopped doing them, but you know, anything to save money. Okay, the old, this is kind of, wow, look at all those lands. So what do we get? 9 packs. We got 9 packs and a dice and a couple boxes that are wrinkled all to can be. So let's cut this by the dice, this dice out of here. So, what are we looking for today? You think we can find, Lily and her boyfriend? That would be awesome if we found Lily and her boyfriend, right? The land, I'm not going to open the land. I usually keep those sealed anyway. Let's see, Gideon, Nissa, Chandra. Who's that? Somebody tell me who that is in the comment section. Jace? What is that? Oh, it's a little instruction pamphlet. If we wanted to know how to play, we'd open those up and find out. So without further ado, let's open this up. Let's see what we have in here. I haven't opened up too much Origins myself. I know the land cycle in here is a little bit lackluster. I know most of the mythic hits are pretty good. Most of the mythic hits are pretty good. Okay, Guiltleaf Winnower, and we did get a foil. We got a foil Dragon Fodder. Okay. The art's pretty cool, though. The art is pretty cool. Let's leave a spot for the mythics. Pack number 2. Night Snare. Fodder. Flare. Dabbling. Guard. Recluse. Lizard. Gilder, Freeblade, Owl, Mage Ring Network, Giant, Elite, Jace's Sanctum. Not Jace himself, but that's okay. Let's see what we have in the next pack. We've got about 7 packs left here. Assassin, Bully, Hieromancer, Moonglow, that art's pretty cool. Barrier, Wolf, Hunger, Freeblade, Claustrophobia, Meletus, Hydro Lash, Gnarlroot Trapper, Jadam Tome, Dark Petition. That's a pretty good hit for rare. Not bad, not bad. 6 packs. We just want one mythic. One mythic. Jace, Lily, anybody? Weight of the Underworld. Griffin. Look at that slug. Look at that slug. Evolving Wilds. Aven. Automation. Gilder. Ravaging Blaze. Wyvern. Starfish, Ember, Maw, Hellion. Okay. Wait, look. These are crimped. They're crimped along the top. Do you see that? There's 2 crimps in there. Very lightly crimped. Very lightly crimped. Okay. I don't see that very often. Are there any more of them crimped? Wait, there's more. Okay, that one's crimped too. Can you see that? So we got 3 crimps. Are there any more crimps in here? Are any of the rares crimped? No? Okay. Very cool, very cool. Crimped cards are nice. I know a lot of people don't really care for them, but crimped cards are kind of cool. Those are very lightly crimped, but barrier. This feels like a small set. How many cards? 272. It's not that small of a set. Magmatic Insight. Necromantic Summonings. Undercity Troll. And we got Archangel of Tice. Very nice. That's probably one of the maybe 3rd best mythic. Maybe the 3rd best mythic. We'll take it. We will take it. We like those. Very cool. Mighty Leap. Waltz. Wolf. Walk. Snare. Cleric of the Forward Order. Lightning Javelin. Shambling Ghoul. Calculated Dismissal. Jorga, Invocation. Necromantic Summonings. Towergeist. Herald of the Pantheon. It looks like we have a foil back here. Undead Servant. Wait, there's more crimped cards over here. Oh my goodness. There's more crimped cards over here. This one's crimped too. Look at that. You see that? I guess I need to look at all these for crimps. Wow. Okay. Let me get a drink. 1 second. It's a little bit hot today. A little bit hot today. We got 3 packs left. I guess we'll have to slow roll these a little bit to look for crimps on them. I feel like he's in every pack. Night Snare, Courser, Volley, Bone to Ash. That art is just gorgeous. That art is just gorgeous. Force Mage, Scimitar, Owl, Gather the Pack, Sumberwald Alpha, Jesse and Thief, Flame Shadow Conjuring. Fell right into its spot. Right into its spot. We found 4 crimp cards so far. That's kind of wild. Up until the other day, I hadn't found any crimp cards, like, ever. Archer, Rambler, Might of the Masses, Scab, Mantle of Webs, Bogart Brute, Guardians of Meletis, Unholy Hunger, Iroa's Champion, Angel's Tomb, Blightcaster, Thopter Spy Network. That's a pretty cool card, though. At the beginning of your upkeep, put a colorless 1/1 Thopter. Whenever one or more artifact creatures you control deals damage to a player, draw a card. That's kind of cool. Maybe I should put that in my artifact deck. Alright. Last pack. Can we get one more mythic? One more mythic? Please. Assassin. Watercourser. Spirit. Nantuko Husk. Knight of Pilgrim's Road. Deep Sea Terror. Leaf Gilder. Brawler's Plate. Call of the Full Moon. Zendikar's Royal. Nope. Knight of the White Orchard. Not a bad card. Not a bad card. All in all, I don't think we did too bad. Those crimps are pretty interesting to me, though. Like, I had never pulled crimp cards before. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can find. Yeah. Okay. I pulled both of these out of a promo pack the other day. And you can see they're lightly crimped on the top, but they're both rare, and they both have that promo snap. So I don't really know how common or uncommon those are. But that was the first time I'd ever pulled crimped cards, was just a couple days ago. So that's kind of interesting that we found 4. I think they're all uncommon, or commons. Yeah, they're all commons, and they're all white-black. That's kind of weird. That's kind of weird. Huh. Well, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I got nothing but love for you. And I hope to see you again real soon. Y'all have a great weekend. Bye-bye.